is my LEGO Technic Ferrari LaFerrari. This is what it looks like. The steering, you're going to have power function servo motor up there. The power supplies are a power function rechargeable battery right here, powering one of the receivers, and then a little 7.4 volt Nikon camera battery up there, wired up to LEGO. Makes quite a good power supply. Rechargeable, small, I got it for free. Yeah. It also doesn't short out, or stop when LEGO one, so it'll last a little longer before giving up. It's got two receivers. The V2 has two large motors powered from one side and a servo from the other. The regular one has one large motor on each side. It's driven by four large motors. 1, 2, down there, 3, and another under there. 4. So they're geared up 3 times there, and then this steering here gets it to a total of 5 times faster. So it's pretty quick like that. Here it is with my brother's Speed Champions model of the same car. A bit bigger. Well, aren't twice as big actually. But same car. This one looks better for sure. Mine doesn't look very good. A little bit of it driving. When it comes to its driving performance, its top speed isn't bad, but its acceleration is kind of wanting. It was pretty quick before I put on the bodywork, but now that I did put on the bodywork, it's kind of slow. I thought that maybe by using all 4 L motors I could make something faster than the really small zippy ones I've made before, but if I'd done the math, see this car, it's about 50% bigger than the others, I think, and even though that doesn't seem like too much, it actually results in about 3 to 3.5 times more volume. And I've only got twice as much power in the motors, so it is not as fast, unfortunately. But soon I'll have some videos of it driving. Now let's do some driving. Now I figured out how to hold the remote with just one hand. You can still use it. See, it's really sluggish now that I put all the weight on it. If I charge the batteries, it might be a little better, but yeah, it seems after a few seconds of driving, it just doesn't have much more in it. Now, I have some lightness. Let's see how it goes now. See, now it's actually fun. That weight was just too much. Now the one thing I have to make sure about is that I have 2 remotes for both of my receivers, but if one of them gets out of range somehow, it'll only go at half the speed, and might not steer. Overall, I'm kind of disappointed with this car. I should have done some preliminary math to figure out that it couldn't actually be too fast. Well, the styling is, I don't know, sort of decent. There's some weak spots. It doesn't really look like the real car to me. I do like the headlights though, with these old arms from LEGO guys. Sacrificed a whole bunch of 70s astronauts for that. But still, I'm kind of glad to have built this third of the original hypercars. The other 2 were at 1 to 80, but